guys, Belinda here. I wanted to show you this one first of all. This one turned out so beautiful and so shiny, and this one was the Matisse Derivan paint that I was testing. So you can see how shiny it is. Hopefully you can see that. It doesn't need a varnish. It turned out so beautiful. Okay, so today we're going to bling this up. Just put that a little bit closer so you can see. So what I have here is some glitter, and what I'll be using as an adhesive is craft glue. So I'm going to go ahead and put some down on, this is just a piece of paper or card from the canvas panel. Not sure how much glue I'm going to need, but probably not too much. And I'm not too worried that it is white because I'm doing it on the white background. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on here on the paintbrush. And there's some spots that I want to do here, just to put some blue in. So I just thought that I would like to bling this up, give it a little bit more interest. Do some little bits. I might just put a bit of silver in there. Let's see how it goes. So I'm just dabbing this on here and there. Just making a decision as I'm going. Now this paint, it has dried. It's just maybe a little bit not properly set yet, because it does take quite a while. And I'll put a stripe in there. Maybe just a little bit here. Okay, so I'm going to go in with some silver. I have some silver and some iridescent left over from the previous bling that I did, and just randomly sprinkling it on. So what I do is, I brush it off after when it's dry, and then I keep it in this little tub here so that I've got, I can reuse it. I'll just put it on there. Now it does look quite thick at the moment. I mean, it looks like there's quite a lot of it. Okay, I think that's where I put the most of it, of the glue. And then I'm going to go around the edges. place more blue. And this glue doesn't take long to dry. Right, that should be good. And then I have this beautiful blue glitter, which I thought would actually go quite nicely. This blue is really, really pretty. I think that's going to be beautiful. Just really adds a different dimension. Just doing something a bit different to my artwork. And I might put, just hopefully it will stick there now. May not, but we'll see. Okay, I'm sure that's enough. Wow, that's really pretty, and I'm just wondering if I should, yeah, maybe I should do that as well. I think I'll just go in here. Okay, let me think about it. So, just go in here like this. And I'm just randomly making some longer and shorter lines. Trying to make them straight. I'm not too concerned again that the blue is getting mixed up there. Okay. I'm going to put down some quite heavy silver along the top. And then I'll use some of the finer silver. Let me just close that up so I don't have an accident. I am prone to having these little accidents. And I'm going to finish it off with just a little bit of blue around the top. Alright guys, I'm still making a decision though. I think I'm going to do around here, because looking into the screen there, the camera, that actually looks really nice. So very gently I'm going to go around, just around the outside, leaving a bit of the purple. So guys, if you're interested in any of my artwork, you can contact me on withBade@gmail.com. The shipping from New Zealand the price is not bad. Okay, before I carry on there, and this glue is going to dry really quick, just going to put this glitter on very quickly. That blue is amazing. Unfortunately, when I bought it, it was only half full, and all the other ones that were sitting on the shelf were just as half full. and there was like a lot of it lying on the shelf, all loose, like glitter everywhere. So I was just wondering if maybe they sprung a leak. I think that's going to look really pretty. I'm just giving it a little bit of glam. So I don't know, guys, if I should do the underneath parts of that as well. Yeah, I suppose, just to make it look a little bit more finished. And just do a tiny bit on the edge here. Actually, just wondering if that actually over here, it's probably drying already, so I'll just add more glue. Okay guys, once this is properly dried, I'm going to dust it off with a paintbrush, a dry paintbrush, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Hey guys, this is it. I really think it came out so effective. I love that silver along the top, and that blue glitter around the leaves, just, or petals, looks so pretty. Well guys, just a quick one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.